Hello YouTube, this is Blake. I'm doing a video on how to insert a micro SD card into your Nintendo Switch OLED. First thing you guys want to go ahead and do is power off the system. To power off the system, you want to go ahead and press and hold down the power button here on the top left of the Nintendo Switch OLED, and you want to do it for 3 seconds. And then once 3 seconds is up, you're going to get several options. You're going to get sleep mode and power options here. So you actually want to select power options, press A, and then you want to go ahead and then select turn off and press A. And then once the Nintendo Switch has a full black screen here, we're going to need to go ahead and gently swing the actual adjustable stand open. So we're going to go ahead and gently open up the actual adjustable stand. As you can see, I do have an actual SD card in the slot right now. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and take it out for you guys. So how you guys want to put the card into the slot, you want to do it just like it shows in the actual label here. If I can zoom in, you'll see it shows the actual design of how it's basically supposed to go in. So you're going to go ahead and insert it into this slot in this configuration here. So you want to go ahead and you can take it, put it into the slot here, and then you just want to go ahead and push in. You're going to hear an audible click. That means it's in. And then the last thing you need to do is just close the adjustable stand. And then there you go. All right, guys, if you liked the video, please like. If you guys want more, please subscribe. But you guys have a wonderful day and enjoy your Nintendo Switch.